Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the computer you want to reach. This opens the service and gives you the address you will use. Once enabled, make sure your laptop can see that IP or hostname, same LAN or public forwarding is required. You must have valid credentials and any second factor available. Without them, you cannot proceed. Now open the Remote Desktop client on your laptop and paste the address because you are ready to initiate the session. After pasting the address, you will choose the user account and enter the password. This is authentication, so take a breath and type carefully. Once connected, adjust display and bandwidth settings to balance visual quality versus responsiveness, lower resolution or color depth if laggy. Redirect local drives or printers only if needed, since unnecessary redirection increases risk. Make sure Windows Firewall and any router rules allow the RDP port. Otherwise, when your work is done, sign out or disconnect cleanly to release the remote session and preserve system state. Do not simply close the lid. If you cannot connect, first ping the remote IP, then check port 3389 reachability with a port test and confirm firewall rules on both ends. If authentication fails, inspect Event Viewer and RDP logs for specific errors. One key tip: temporarily disable third-party firewalls to isolate causes, then re-enable after you confirm the connection works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.